So we are here at Mpolonjeni. We had a massive hailstorm last night. The garden was hit. The chicken house flooded. We just dig this hole to try to keep the water out. Brian and them's face is a little bit long, but I told him that we will get through this. The fruit trees were also pretty badly hit. If you can see, there's some plums. You'll see these little things on the ground here. It's all plums that's been hit. But I believe that God will get us through this. And thank you for your support. Thank you for your prayers.
Umthembu Jesu elapha yena akayuchapha undlula izulu nomhlaba uzungcibeleke izintaba yebanga yokwesaba umethemba uJesu.
I am Bongane, Sustainability Manager at Mpolonjeni ICPC, and thank you for your support and your prayers. We appreciate it.
I am Pastor John at Mpolonjeni. We would like to thank you for your support and for your prayers. Here at Mpolonjeni, we really appreciate what you've done for us and what you're doing, spiritually and otherwise. And as a church, we are doing well with establishing and growing. Thank you so much for supporting us.